Hello there, and thank you for clicking on this video. What is this video? Why are you watching it? What's it all about? I've made this video to show you what it's like to have a call with me. I've made it for people who are not able to join the call, or people who are getting ready and they're wondering, is Fergus the person that I need to speak to? So what I'd like to do is to show you, first of all, just some of the things that we talk about just in a discovery call. It's not necessarily going to be in what would be a consultation session. It's just a discovery call for us to get to know each other. So you can see here, I have up on the screen just a hypothetical client called Joe. And this is how our session starts off. I like to start to get to know a person. So I'd like to know a little bit about your background beforehand. So usually I ask people to fill out a form before talking to me, but really this is your opportunity to tell me about your goals, and working together. What that would mean for you, what success would look like, what are the kind of the pain points for you where looking at a YouTube video of mine was somewhat of a help and then led you to speaking with me. It's also an opportunity then for me to take you through kind of what the process of learning will look like. And I get into this in more detail. There's many ways of looking at the process of learning, but this is really to help you understand where you're at the moment and kind of where we could go. I do offer a range of services. One is called Teaching Success, but you'll see the various other packages you can get when we look at my website. But I just included Teaching Success here as a way to show the syllabus structure. Now, this is always tailored to your specific needs. For one person, it may be an 8-session package. Often I do 4-session packages. But in any case, all of my sessions are 90 minutes long. I do provide copies of all materials used in each session, video recordings, kind of like this one, an AI-generated personalized 15-minute CELTA prep crash course podcast file. That's an example name of what. Now, AI is in the name there. I think we all have mixed feelings when it comes to AI. I know myself, I am extremely hesitant to use it for a number of reasons, but personally, I don't want to outsource my brain to things that I should be exercising my brain on to stay sharp and to stay current and to stay relevant. But, you know, in every situation, we don't throw the baby out with the bathwater, and I have a professional AI tool, which basically what it lets me do is take a transcript, for example, of a video or a call like this and condense it down into a really engaging 2-person podcast that just gives you the main kind of points, the things that you really needed to focus on from that session in a condensed summary way. It's just a way to get started before going into the more full video recording, for example. I do assignments, and I also provide certificates of completion. So all of that material looks something like this. Here would be an assignment. This one's about common pitfalls for teachers. Here would be a video recording of one of our sessions. For example, this one's going into needs analysis. I also do follow-up emails with links, materials, and main takeaway points. And then finally, you will have a certification which you receive at the end of your course, working with me there together. And this, you know, I just put this back in here again because this, as you grow with these assignments and videos and tasks that you're set to work on, you will grow through the various quadrants of this learning style. So, you know, for those who are looking at doing a CELTA, a TEFL, or a Trinity CertTESOL, the very first package would be a 4-session package, and that's where you focus on the fundamentals of teaching, the 7 lesson types, lesson frameworks, and then the pitfalls of CELTA, TEFL, or Trinity CertTESOL, and how to avoid them. 4 session package, and that's where you focus on the fundamentals of teaching, the 7 lesson types, lesson frameworks, and then the pitfalls of CELTA, TEFL, or Trinity CertTESOL, and how to avoid them. You can pause the video. I'm just going to jump over these. Here are the topics in the fundamentals. Here are the topics in the 7 lesson types. Again, you can pause there and have a look at those. Here are the lesson frameworks. These are the topics we cover. And then the last session there of pitfalls and how to avoid them. These are the topics that are covered. Again, you can pause and read those. So as I mentioned, I do provide certification of completion. I also do provide a strategic approach to your own development. Here's an example of what I call CELTA preparation phase 2. More on phase 1 if indeed you do speak to me. So I like to lay out a roadmap and a strategy for clients. Here, for example, you see it includes ISA, stands for Integrated Skills Academy. That's what you're watching right now. I do have an e-learning over there on my website to help you with assignments, for example. But this is just to show you how I help people strategize for their own success. Now, next steps. You will, in this email, have also received, or as well, just below this video, in the description, because I'll host this on YouTube, you will see a link that will take you over to my website. And I'm very intentional about the words that I chose here. I chose dream, transform, and succeed to describe how I help people. We all start with a dream, something that we are looking to do, but we need to take certification like CELTA or TEFL, or Trinity, CertTESOL, to transform from just having a dream into living that dream. But then living that dream still comes with challenges. Just because you have your certification doesn't mean that you're there already. We want to set ourselves up for success. I have included some videos on my website there from people I have worked with already. If you'd like to hear it rather than from me, but from people who have gained and gone through the dream, transform, and succeed process with me. And then below that, you're going to find kind of the trajectory that I recommend. That you first of all start with a CELTA, Trinity, or a TEFL course. And then once we work to help you be successful in that course, then we take the next step of leveraging that into becoming a coach, which will help you develop your own business. And then once you've become a coach through the integrated skills method, you will be ready to teach one of many courses that I have developed for coaches that I work with. And this one here is called Live the Digital Nomad Life. So once you have become a certified integrated skills coach, you'll be ready to teach this course and others. So this is kind of the trajectory. Get yourself qualified as a teacher, leverage that into coaching, and then start a coaching career with the Digital Nomad Life, for example. Again, you can pause here. Here's what happens, for example, in the CELTA, TEFL, or Trinity CertTESOL. It's broken down into 3 kind of sections or packages. We start with preparation, then you have success, and then we finish off then with mastery and launch. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that if you're watching this because you weren't able to attend a call, or you're wondering what it's like to attend a call, this gives you more light on what can be achieved by working together. I really encourage you, head over to my website, link in the description, and you'll be able to check out these videos, these courses, learn more about each one. I also have my assignment course there. And the last thing I'd just like to draw your attention to here is the Integrated Skills Members area. So this is a monthly subscription, but what do you get over there? Well, first of all, you get 7 days for free. That's the very first thing to say. So you can check it out for free. But then also you'll get extra video content from me. And it's not just more YouTube videos. The video content from me comes in 2 flavors, I guess you could say. I collect comments and questions within the community from people like you, and I make a video response to them. I also give feedback on challenges that I set over there as a video. And you also, on top of that, the other one is you can join me for a monthly call with me and the other integrated skills members. So to get started on that, you can certainly click the link in the description and come in here to the members area. You see lots of video examples. And then I would recommend getting started on the monthly. You could go for a yearly or these other packages. I'll just let you know this is true at the time of making this video in 2026, but like any business, these do change over time. The one that will stay forever is the monthly subscription. So check out what's available there, and I'd love to see you over in the members area, where we have lots of great conversations, videos, etc., and materials, ebooks, audiobooks, podcasts, everything designed to help you, as it says up here, network English language teachers, life coaches, and digital nomads. So I'd encourage you, read through that, and I would love to see you over there on the Integrated Skills members area. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to connecting with you, hearing from you, working with you, or seeing you over there in the Integrated Skills members area. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.